Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities, and in this video we will learn every point in the section in search of raw materials. Question 1. Dash are substances that are either found naturally or produced by farmers or herders. The options are raw materials, source materials, minerals, work material. Your time to choose. And the answer is raw materials. So, raw materials are substances that are either found naturally or produced by farmers or herders. Next question. Examples of raw materials are dash. The options are wood, ores of metals, wood or ores of metals, stone. Your time to choose. And the answer is wood or ores of metals. So, examples of raw materials are wood or ores of metals. Next question. Raw materials are processed to produce dash. The options are finished goods, semi-finished goods, refined goods, ornaments, beads or blades. Your time to choose. And the answer is finished goods. So, raw materials are processed to produce finished goods. Next question. Dash, which is produced by farmers, is a raw material that may be processed to make cloth. The options are cotton, yarn, rice, grain. Your time to choose. And the answer is cotton. So, cotton, which is produced by farmers, is a raw material that may be processed to make cloth. Next question. Cotton, which is produced by farmers, is a raw material that may be processed to dash. The options are cut stone, polish beads, carving seals, make cloth. Your time to choose. And the answer is make cloth. So, cotton, which is produced by farmers, is a raw material that may be processed to make cloth. Question 6. While some raw materials were available locally, dash had to be brought from distant places. The options are copper, tin, gold, silver, copper, tin, gold, silver and precious stones. Your time to choose. And the answer is copper, tin, gold, silver and precious stones. So, while some raw materials were available locally, copper, tin, gold, silver and precious stones had to be brought from distant places. Next question. The Harappans probably got copper from dash. The options are Kashmir, Oman in West Asia, Rajasthan, present day name, B and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is B and C. So, the Harappans probably got copper from Oman in West Asia and Rajasthan, present day name. Question 8. Dash is mixed with copper to produce bronze. The options are tin, minerals, tar, stone. Your time to choose. And the answer is tin. So, tin is mixed with copper to produce bronze. Next question. Tin may have been brought from dash, present day name. The options are Afghanistan, Iran, Afghanistan and Iran, Afghanistan, Iran and China. Your time to choose. And the answer is Afghanistan and Iran. So, tin may have been brought from Afghanistan and Iran, present day name. Next question. Gold could have come all the way from dash, present day name. The options are Kashmir, Bihar, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Your time to choose. So, the answer is Karnataka. So, gold could have come all the way from Karnataka, present day name. Next question, last question. Precious stones may have been brought from dash, present day name. The options are Gujarat, Iran, Gujarat and Iran, Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Your time to choose. And the answer is Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. So, precious stones may have been brought from Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan, present day name. Okay, so in this video we saw every point in the section in search of raw materials. In the next video we will see every point in the next section, that is food for people in the cities. I'll see you there.